Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Hare Hare. Namah Om Hara Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Hare Hare. Namah Om Hara Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Assim. In Ayurveda, we have the idea of Agni, the metabolic power, digesting information brought by prana and producing very good essence that is going to be transformed into structures in our body that is going to sustain the physiological activities. These physiological structures that are sustaining the metabolic process are called Dhatus. Dhatus are that which supports, gives floor, gives sustenance for us to raise up other things. In Western physiology, there are 5 or 6 different types of physiological structures. But in Ayurveda, we have 7, each one related to one specific astrological being. The sun, the moon, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. And these 7 specific tissues, that is the most crude translation of the idea of Dhatus, they are just being prepared from the previous one, in a sense. So, in a bigger frame, we have the macro digestion of food that we take and go from our stomach, intestine, and all that stuff. And then in Ayurveda they pass through liver to separate different kind of functionings, and then they go to deeper tissues to be further elaborate. So the idea is like this. After we have the digestion in the small intestine, there it goes of a specific channel to the liver, portal vein, that it takes the nutrients there, and the liver works on these nutrients and prepares a very specific compound that is going to be an ocean of nutrition to the whole system, that is called rasa, the essence, dhatu. Rasa is also part of the blood, but the blood is not only rasa. Rasa is just the primordial liquid in which everything else is floating in our body. So rasa, this is loosely translated as plasma. It is further metabolized in specific Agni to red part of the blood, a more poetic part of the blood, the red thing. And this brings another quality of energetic and willing. In plasma we had more contentment. In Rakta, the red part, we have more energy and vitality. And then this is further transformed into muscular, to Mansa Dhatu, that thing that protects us, that thing that covers us, that thing that can make us with courage and also self-esteem. And this is further elaborated into adipose tissue, Meda Dhatu, that thing that can give us the sensation of caring and love, and also sweetness, and also being good, being sensitive. And then this is further elaborated into Asti Dhatu, the bone level, that gives us support. It gives us just like formal structure, dharana, that which can be like the Christmas tree, where everything is put over. And then this is further elaborated into Maja Dhatu, the nerve tissue, where we have the connection and the neural impulses from the brain, spinal cord, and all the nerve system in our body, and also in endocrine system. And then this gets further elaborated into the finest tangible tissue, that is the reproductive tissue, Shukra Dhatu, that gives us the capacity to create new life. So the first Dhatu is defined of what gives us contentment, nourishment, rasa. The second one that gives us energy and enthusiasm, jiva, enthusiasm. The third one, second one, rakta. The third one that gives us the capacity to stand to pressure and to things that are against us is lepana, protection, mansa, muscular. The fourth one, meda, that one that gives us the capacity to be more oily, snehana, and more lovely, the adipose tissue. The fifth one, the asti dhatu, that gives us dharana, the capacity to stand and be firm, and also the bone layer. And the sixth one, purna, sensation of fulfillment. Oh, everything is just perfect, everything is just fine. And this is the nerve tissue. And the seventh, Shukra Dhatu, that gives us the capacity to create new things, including new lives and reproductive system. And after this can be further elaborated into ojas. So in the beginning we talked about prana, agni and ojas. Now we are just like increasing a little bit this idea to put between agni and ojas several dhatus. And this is the basic physiology of Ayurveda, along with the excretas, the malas that we talked before. And for now, it's enough. If you wanna have online consultations, please contact my email namaste.tiago@gmail.com. Namaste!